Hey yo yo! Guess what we're doing today? Well, it's not really today, it's this evening. We're on the way to a bike night. One of, I think, the last two for this year. Before it gets too damn cold. 16 degrees now. When it was reading 15 when I left. It's not too bad. But yeah, we're on the way to Cambridge for a bike night. Meet up with Luke, and I think Neo's going, and then obviously whoever else is there. I think that's really about it. You can just enjoy the ride with me while I chat waffle. Oh, she sounds so satisfying. I didn't realise I was in third. Oops. That's just embarrassing. Pretend that didn't happen. Honestly thought it was in second, so never mind. But yeah, I've been learning bird gear clutch ups. They're coming alright. It's just, I don't know. I also need a new tyre horrendously. It's so bad since the last time. Like, just doing that, you've got to fight it. But God, imagine doing that on a 125. You can't. Obviously, this bike, I've almost had it a year as well, so I might do a year review of how I felt or how I feel with it after a year. And 14,000 miles. I'll be on 15k by the end of next month. Bike friends. But yeah, 15,000 miles with this since new. I got it when it had 2 miles on. I was going to do a reveal video, but I never had a GoPro at the time, so I couldn't do it. And then I left it for like 2 months, and then I finally posted a TikTok to say that I had a new bike. And everyone was like, oh, where did this come from? Oh, I've had it for a while, don't worry. Yeah, I think I posted the review in like January or something. So yeah, just a bit of a while. But now she's running beautifully. Couldn't ask for it to be any better. Can't wait to get my A license done though. Yeah, I'm still unsure of what I will want next. Oh, I got an itchy back. Okay, I did it. No, I haven't. It's still there. Okay, now it's gone. Oh, my fucking back's itchy again. Oh my god. Fucking hurts. Oh, I'm just gonna have to deal with it, aren't I? Okay, never mind. Yeah, third gear wheelies. They're so much nicer than second. It's so peaceful. Like, there's a nice sunset. I mean, what time is it? 6. I have a black visor on and I can still see. It's when it gets to like 7ish, I'm gonna like, is that a car? Yeah, it is. And then by then it's too late. Oh, back stopped itching. Can't really itch it very well with gloves and a one piece. It just doesn't work. Right, yeah, was that a Hello Kitty bag? I have no idea. But what a legend. It'll be 5 years this December I'll be riding it. Time flies when you're having fun, doesn't it? Speaking of that, the year's gone way too quick, like. I would not have expected this year to go as quick as it did. Like September, that was what, 10 minutes long? What happened to September? It just was there, and now we're October, what, tomorrow I think? Or is it Friday? No. Saturday I think October is. I have no clue, but when you're seeing this it'll probably be October because my upload schedule is horrific. And I get footage and I forget to edit it, and then when I do edit it, it's like a week later. So apologies for that. Clutch and shifting's really smooth on these as well. And if you're skilled enough, you can downshift on it. I don't do that as often because it feels odd. But it's possible. Oh, the nose is possible. And gently round. Ooh. I wonder how busy they're going to be. I mean, it doesn't start for another 10 minutes, but we've arrived anyway. Looks fairly busy, I think. Well, there's a few people there already. Yeah, a very big view bunch. Oh, where am I going? Howdy, howdy. Huh? I got earplugs and I can't hear shit. Wait, what time did it start? I had a 1:05, but... Did it start at 6? Has it started at 6? Yeah. Oh, I'm half hour late then. I was gonna say, fucking 6:30 start, it's a bit busy, isn't it? Oof! Pretty good turnout tonight. Off we go back to Ely with William. Ready? Yeah. Good evening tonight. It's not even cold either. Hopefully the footage of the night turns out, because I haven't got my little lens cap. Okay, should be able to see. But I got no clue. See, I'm legally blind. Oh, never mind. Hi, William. It's alright for you. You got a clear visor. the visor, I can't see anything. Like, there's tinted, and then there's, I may as well ride with my eyes closed, which is what this is. Oh dear. That car got its boot open. Honestly, night rides are so fun, but not when you have a black visor lit on, because you can't see anything. But it's alright. He's good for it. It does have its boot open. I wonder if he knows. I mean, he's got to know it's open, surely.
I forgot you had no, you couldn't close your visor, sorry.
No, I did have it closed.
Oh, you did?
I couldn't see shit.
Couldn't see.
I opened it when I was doing the wheelie so I could see more, and when it goes up there's no light and it's pitch black. You're like